A wonderful good day and a warm welcome to our brand new video. We've already changed the oil in the VW up, replaced the cabin filter, and now we want to reset the service interval. That's what this short little video is about. Importantly, with the VW up, there are 3 different ways to reset the service interval. Here, you differentiate between models built before 2016 or after 2016, and you also distinguish based on whether there are any buttons or additional controls on the wiper stalks. Buttons, let's say. That's how it differs for the models built before 2016. 2017, everything stays exactly the same. In any case, here it's specifically from VW, pre-2016 models, which don't have the buttons on the wiper stalk, so resetting can only be done directly on the dashboard. And how it's all done, I'll show you now, and I'd say, let's go. So how do we reset the whole thing? We turn off the ignition. We need this button here. Turn ignition off, press and hold reset, switch ignition on. Inspection appears on the display. There it is. Now release the button and give it a quick single press once more to proceed. Done. And already the inspection indicator is gone. Mouse on. As we can see, the inspection indicator is no longer there. And here, this is how it's done with the VW up. Before the model year, so up to model year 2016. So just to repeat one more time. Now the entire light here comes on. Or maybe I can go ahead and manually turn it off completely for now. That's better. South now, turn the ignition off. Press the indent and keep holding it down. Turn the ignition on. Inspection starts. Release and press it once. Done. Then the whole thing is also gone, guys. And that's how quickly you can reset the service. Yes, if a VW from model year 2016 or later comes by at some point, I'll try to capture it in a video too. And otherwise, yeah, it's pretty quick and straightforward. And if you liked the whole thing, leave a thumbs up, drop a sub, and write in the comments below which cars we should reset the service on next. And if this was helpful and you enjoyed it, let me know. Leave a thumbs up, hit that sub. Until next time, bye.